Daily smart money life habits. This is a conversation I have with my team, with my investors, with my real estate agent partners. So you want to network, you want to prospect, you want to build relationships, and you want to do that every single day. So I have days where on Tuesdays, I only focus on my past clients or my current clients. That's my client appreciation, that's my client feedback, that's my client update day. But for example, on Wednesday, that's my social media day, that's my phone, all my friends on my phone, that's my texting day, that's my Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn. Year after year, the deals start to flow in, the opportunities come in, and that is an example of smart money life habits. You want to keep it simple, you want to do a couple, and if you want to actually get a daily training of what me and my team do Monday through Friday, reach out to me so you can start applying the smart money habits daily.